Alright, today I'm going to show you how to do a presentation badly. Alright, how to do a presentation badly. First, you can be unprepared and not take down the projector screen, or forget to turn on the projector until the very last minute. This is a really good step to start off your presentation terribly. Now I'm doing a pretty terrible job of being terrible because I'm making eye contact with you. But a good way to be terrible is to start talking really quietly and, not looking at the audience, all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to keep going, So first off, you want to have no background or theme to your presentation. This conveys little thought to your work and like you just don't care. But you're trying to do this bad, so really don't put any thought into it at all. Or else, who knows? Don't care. Don't care. Another thing is to have super slow transitions. This gives the audience some suspense, and your professor gets kind of mad with you. Also, have super random word paths. It kind of shows how childish you are, and really shows the professor that you deserve an F. Cough randomly. If you're unprepared, coughing is a good way to cover up that you're unprepared, and coughing seems like you're sick, but while you're coughing, you think of something to say. Or you don't. If you're trying to do a presentation badly, you might just not say anything. But I don't know. Have irregularity. Throw in a background image. Might change it up a little bit. Make the font white. Who knows? Really throws off your audience and your professor. Really deserve that F. Maybe you put in D effort, but you're really striving for that F. Here you go. Have irregularity. And to really wrap it up, I just want to say, have an unsatisfying... Oh, and that's the end of my presentation. I hope you learned a lot. Maybe you didn't. But if you're trying to succeed, then don't watch this video. But if you're trying to fail, like the video, subscribe, and hopefully you can take your failing to a next level when you do a presentation. Thank you.